Divu Circuit House along MP kilik apartment adun thu zonal lapen sector asai phu amai ke padotu. Di Mahasa Asami Diksa lang tasa UPSC ki undun inglong ahwarapan birta ke mekiwan. Number 15 Mahamaya constituency ki parlo angkang BJP penkache toidun MP candidate aparman vote kerek amai kepadupon. Kardom Karbi prime time long penili junality mungpi non bietang ton pen aju ikha. General Observer kacetong angbong jangmi troxia ni Difu Circuit House along aduntu MP kilik aparman zonal lapen sector saipu amai padutu.
Autonomous District ST Parliamentary Constituency a returning site Humate Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikya Chapaham Pupanjang Mitroxiar ni Difu Circuit House along MP Kilik Apartment Zonal Lapen Sector site Huamai Padutu. Difu Circuit House along Boha Kedobom General Observer Rakesh Sukumar Topo Zonal Lapen Sector Amai along Chetongdun. Alang Likilig Erning Zonal Lapen Sector site Huatung Pachopay alam ningje jedat nang jipu ningje si MP Kilik Mon Samangbong kapaju Thekjia Phan Water Mate vote ke Jogjia Bang Phubang Phiaphan Kilik Aprang Water Slip Ron at Sikime Pusi General Observer Topo Pen Zonal Lapen Sector Saipu Atumaphan Chuningli.
Di Mahasa haplong rong supia sami diksa lang tasa non hejong UPSC sat lang chipa undun si inglong havarapan isi birta kime pajie. Alang lila suat sat lang along parotroxira nerkep ang deng chipalong dun. Non hejong UPSC at sat lang kiun abang bang pi atum amen pangdak pontang lo. Sat lang ang tekipak lang ateng di Mahasa asami diksa lang tasa pen pining asam pen bangkre kitom sat lang ki undun. Bangkre kitom atum amen laki Tanmoy Sharma, Mirganka Pathak, Utirna R. Sharma, Namita Sharma, Dipankar Chaudhary, Garima Sharma, Risabha Gar, Aryanyak Saikya, Abhishek Goswami, Saurabh Sharma, Farman Brahma Lapen, Tapas Basumatari Henlo. Ladak Diksa Aputhak Kachini Jiapan Chithanmi, Diksa Langtasa ke Di Mahasao Haplong Rong Supi Asor. Alangli Joges Langthasa Lapen Sarda Langthasa Asupi Mate Di Mahasa Autonomous Council Asi Embarim Samchan Hojai Asu Diksa Langthasa Aphan Di Mahasa Aradatum Kurwang Tu Pajirinti Nangkili MP Kilik along number 3 Autonomous District ST Parliamentary Constituency BJP Asong Pen Karjabdun Horen Singh Bay Apartment number 15 Mahamaya Constituency Angkang Jangmini Phai Troxi ani lethota Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron Pen along Kilik kapache thang lapen vote ke hang amai ke padupon abita phirang ke pen berta nang bale Mahamaya Constituency ki parlo angkang BJP penkachi toidun MP candidate apartment adap apor pen chibit me pin vote ke hang amai ke paman pon Bangso amai along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron lapen Dokmuka Town Committee Chairman Beren Singh Teron pen Chenglok Arya Sang Ho tumpen pen Kilik kapachit hang lapen MP Horen Singh Bay Apartment vote ke hang amai padupon vote ke hang amaya long ongdung Congress lapen SDC asong atum mithang asong pen COC BJP asong along chingbedun alang litumapan EM Teron lapen Arya Sang Ho tumpen si deng ponlo non malam so porphan birta mongton pon iksina
Turkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Turkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Turkimi Society.
Nilingkan kray silubot ke joktang. Nilikay ta mathada.
Niliki piawot lakhapon loma kalite nilike berate mission along klang pamelo ma
Nilikay ta mathada. ke jok ateng pen ke patini avar sai doma
Ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote lo dam lo puang thai doma. Ningke hanga party aphan.
kachiki klong isia kimia dichi vote ke jok ang thek kot pen ke patini un adichi vivipet henlo nilining dorik ason an ther thip pen kangsai un adichi lake isi salajong pen karjab adichi lo lapen EVM along cherap lok ahor mulo EVM lapen vivipet pen nang liko son si vote jok po kengkam isi polling booth arlo kilut vote ke jok ahem arlo kilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pe karpo kengkam hini vote jok milo ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hanga bang phuamen mate ang thek pen pachiton ra ber ignon kengkam ke thom ake era tur klang loma ning ke hanga bang phuamen adung ake era tur klang pu kengkam pli kangchap alu klang loma vivipet along ke klang kangchap alu aphai lang ignoi haladak nang lining ke hanga bang phuamen mate ang thek klang loma labang so kangchap alu achet second proxy an siklang chonji laso aphilo te amina chi thui pen chebeng pet si siang deng along che thabdam thotpo vivipet ke isi akimi che thangklong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar lapen nili chichini komata phansi vote ke jokvek ma lapen nili theklong lo kopima ning ke the klardak chingbar kri ke jokvek avot ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hemar lo pen barbe ya prang e phong vivipet along patini te kang tha laki ke mesen alam lo jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelang puluti lapen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta ningkan khrena kep choklo puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic araida te non ke nang leji lok sabha election inkoira sirkep aput vote chok dun igno
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Report lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalok Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma konat lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so lapen so arlo dung kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kechengsi sopin so lapen soar lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum ladak, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongharpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong napadari pinpin ang humrig mo.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered,
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed,
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice.
Introducing a system that can assure you. The voter verifiable paper audit trail or VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, Karbi alang, Teso alang, kecu ajam tu, Tarmit aduk, Telua kreng, Chitronola, Uktor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo piputhat birta long wangtulo. West Karbi anglong baitha langso police station ki parlo angkang jang mini bhai truck ani tili plira minute pli kebra pho apor malong borthoiso arong along ihum bike ke patong ajong inut bang phi areng ahu ki so birta pherang ke pen birta nang pale. Borthoiso inghi arong amekar sarthe inghi asupi ramnong pi inghi pi arta thom kebra pho aphan ihum bajas discover a bike AS09E9526 Borthoiso PWD atowar along kapatong pit ajok areng ahu pinang ansolo kopay keme kiso kilang asay hempen 108 ambulance nang lesi community health center dongkamukam an se kilang apan ponlo bonsitami dongkamukam community health center pen hojay an pontunang kok lupusi Dr. Orivel Kramsa pen phirang ke apan than pachini Karbi prime time manggela pon sikang ton pon iklo to me thak me kurwang thu